cut. Relax the arm and cut. Good. Good. Don't stall. Cut. So, don't know what to put in there. Hold the knife firmly and cut. Cut. Cut firmly. Okay? Yeah. Go ahead. Okay. Yes. Great. Great. Good. You're left-handed? Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, so you cut. Are you left-handed? Okay, is that how I taught you to hold it? I need you to... Yes, you were here for this because you were standing over there. Handle in your palm. Are you right-handed or left-handed? Okay, which one do you want to have the knife in? Okay, handle goes in your palm. The handle of the knife of the fork goes in. This is the handle. Just like this. Yes. And the same scenario there. Handle in the palm. Good. Now let's cut. We're cutting gracefully. Pay attention to me, please. Gracefully. Now let's cut. Cut. But you have to make it look realistic because you're actually going to have food. Okay? Cut. Okay? Let's see. Good. Let's see you cut. No, you're sawing. Yes. Good job. Okay. So everybody's cutting. Okay, last time. Everyone pick up your knife and fork and we're cutting. We're going to go through the whole routine. We're cutting. We are cutting. Let's go. Knife and fork in hand. And we're cutting. We're cutting. We're finished cutting that piece. Place the knife at the top. Switch the fork to your dominant hand. Remember, place the knife at the top.